Hi, I want to show you how to turn on and off NFC on Google Pixel 9a. So start by going in Settings and here select this section Connected Devices. Then by clicking on Connection Preferences, you will see NFC in the list. Now if you want to turn it off, then you need to toggle off the switch and you won't be able to make contactless payments. But if you decide to turn it on, then toggle on the switch and you'll be able to make contactless payments with the help of holding your phone near a reader. Additionally, for increased security, you can enable Require Device Unlock for NFC to use it only when the device is unlocked. And in contactless payments, you can choose your default wallet app. In my case, it is Google Wallet, but in your case, it could be something else. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.